bright lighting. Are you playing with the fucking Rubik's Cube?
I won.
Stop moving.
It hurts.
Stop moving, then, dumbass. How to pick a lock. This is what the fuck you do.
Yeah, just...
When I steal the keys. When I steal the keys.
I'm gonna beat
She
your ass with a
steals the
Rubik
key.
Cube.
I'll beat your ass with a Pixie Stick. Oh.
Damn.
No, it wouldn't be the first time.
I will beat your ass with Alex. Just swing my arm.
Might hurt a little bit.
It might.
It might hurt you more, though, I think.
This might be an hour video.
Can someone kick her in the face and take the key? I didn't sign up for this video.
It's thinner than the one that I have at home. Let's see what I've got with you.
Oh my god, oh my god.
That's not even fair.
Let's go.
I will not put my hand there.
Let's go. What a
Usually turning it to the right.
What the fuck are you filming me, asshole? Oh my god.
Get the hell in there like that.
Greg, metal's cold.
No shit, Sherlock.
Especially when it goes on nipples.
Especially when it goes on your damn wrist.
I go hawk and break it. Nope, not happening.
You can see where. It's funny. I think that was when you were struggling to pull him down.
Yeah. It's like, I don't want my arm up anymore.
Aha! I got it. And you missed it, you bastard.
Oh,